Dr. Ritika Tiwari is working with Public Health Foundation of India since 2012. With over 11 years of experience, she is currently contributing towards academic and research activities in India and South Africa in human resources for health. She has completed her bachelor's in science from Gargi College, master's in business administration, and PhD in health management. Currently, she is pursuing a postdoctorate fellowship in global health from Stellenbosch University in South Africa.
I would like to share my experiences because I come from Gargi and I started my journey in 2004 as a student of a Bachelor's of Science in Zoology. So I would like to tell all my fellow Gargians that that how I stumbled upon public health as a career. So what do I do currently? I run a short course in Introduction to Global Health, as well as I do advocacy. And this report is a recent work of mine, which was done with the government of South Africa for the Department of Health. And we did some predictions for health workforce forecasting. So what do I do? It is one niche area in which I work, which is research. I do research in health systems, which comprises of health infrastructure and health professionals. Of that, specifically on human resources for health. And then the forecasting part we do, like Dr. Machu just mentioned about a part of our research. So this is some of the research work which I have undertaken in the past 2 years. But how did I reach here? How did I reach till here? There was no guidance. There was no formal webinar or seminar at that time about career opportunities in public health. So I started with BSc and then I did an MBA program because everybody was doing an MBA program in my times back in 2007. And then I started working in the health sector in research projects in National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, Public Health Foundation of India. I'm associated since 2012. And during my experiences, it encouraged me to pursue a PhD program from Symbiosis. And after a 4-year degree of doctorate, I landed upon a postdoctorate fellowship in Stellenbosch University in global health. But my course could have been different. I could have done a BSc course and I could have done an MPH program, a Master in Public Health program, or a postgraduate diploma in Public Health Management and just entered into public health. So public health offers some solutions to problems that we just discussed, and we need to find our purpose in these exciting opportunities. And this is a little Venn diagram which we see here, that we are at the intersection of, we need to find something which is an intersection of our passion, mission, profession, and vocation. Passion for which you may have a strong liking. Mission could be a personal goal. Profession, which may require training and skills and a college degree, and vocation such as acting, which is one's calling. And you need to find yourself in the intersection of all of these things. And public health offers incredible variety of career options. I'm one example who is a mixture of BSc and then an MBA degree in human resource management and landing up into research in human resources for health. And even, if you want to pursue something else like journalism, or you want to become a policymaker, or you want to become a basic researcher, you can contribute your bit to public health. And even as a social worker or a medical aid worker, you can see you can help people directly. We can be inspired by others' footsteps, but each one of us has a unique journey. So you need to carve your way, your own self. And at the end, I would like to say that as per World Bank, the literacy rate for adult females in India is 65%, and we are those lucky 65%. We have a career choice. We have been encouraged by our families to study. So as you see in this image, there is an eagle which is trying to flying off a cliff. So you have to jump off a cliff and build your wings on the way down. And we hope that this webinar is not the end of it. It's the beginning for us, for us, all of us, to think about public health as a career option and to contribute our bit to society. And that's from my side. Thank you. Over to you, Kushi.